In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sell on Amazon from home. Coming up. Hello there, my name is Nyxson, and on this channel I'm teaching you how you can run your own online business, create your online income, and overall be a better person. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. You're gonna learn a lot of new and good stuff here. So here, because of the request of one of our subscribers, I'm making a video about how you can sell on Amazon from home, and it is actually pretty simple. It's quite simple, way simpler than people would think, but for some reason people are thinking that it's extremely simple and it's very far to reach for them, and they are not doing that. Little disclaimer that I want to do right now: you cannot start selling on Amazon for free. It is practically impossible to do that. In order to sell something on Amazon, you need to actually get something on Amazon and just sell some stuff there. Only way to actually sell something on Amazon for free is if you actually have some things already, but if you got some things for some price, so it is never free. So you need to understand that it's not possible to sell on Amazon for free. So without further ado, let's get just right into it and I will show you how you can actually sell on Amazon from home. Okay, first things first, what you need to do is you need to create your Amazon seller account. In order to sell something on Amazon, you need to create Amazon seller account. To do that, you're going to sellercentral.amazon.com or just googling Amazon Seller Central, and you will get the first result for you, and you're gonna press the register now right here, and what you need to do is you need to continue with a registration. Actually, you have here with two options. You can be the two type of seller on Amazon. You can be an individual seller, which is actually free to register and continue with an individual seller, but you can sell only 40 items per month with this. And another one is the paid seller plan, which is a professional seller plan with which you can sell more than 40 items per month, but it costs $40 per month. Free plan, you're just getting some fees, etc, and it's actually better to sell with a professional plan, even if you're selling less than 40 items. How you can actually get things to sell on Amazon, it is way simpler than people would think in this day and age. All you need to do is go to a website named Alibaba.com, which is basically the same thing as AliExpress, but unlike AliExpress, you're not buying a single stuff, you're just buying things in a bulk. You just go there and finding stuff that you need to sell. You can say like this one, you will go there and sell this smartwatch. Just a little smartwatch. You can go and bulk order the smartwatch from there for just like $5, but you need to buy it like in some numbers, so quite large numbers, in order to sell that. What you are doing then, you're starting an order, you're buying the stuff from here, and what you are doing is you are getting the stuff, you're shipping this stuff to the place that you actually, to the Amazon warehouse that you will have on the Amazon Seller Central. You're buying this from here, from Alibaba.com, and shipping it there, and you're just telling Amazon that what it will be. Just fill out all the information, and you are gonna get this, well, basically up and running. Your shop is already done. You're just listing your item on Amazon Seller Central, and that is it. You can now sell on Amazon from home. But is that all, you may ask? If it's that free, that easy to do, so why people are not selling on Amazon a lot? Well, actually people are selling a lot on Amazon. They're over like over 2 million, but probably right now it's around 3 million sellers on Amazon. So there are a lot of people selling on Amazon. What's the catch? Why people are not, like, why this is not that common? Well, actually this is because there are a lot of people selling on Amazon, and as like a lot of people on social media and on YouTube posting a lot of different stuff, it's actually quite hard to rank number first on any particular type of product for Amazon. So basically, when people are getting to Amazon and searching for stuff, there is little chance that you will actually get ranked really high and actually sell some stuff from there. In order to do so, you need to pay for ads, do some marketing, and pay more and more. And what you are getting is quite a small margins. You are like making probably around 20 to 30% of what you spend or making on the top. Of course, it's the income, the profit that you're doing is 20 to 30%, which is pretty good, but not that much. And in order to actually make really good money, you need to spend really good money. So if you calculate a bit, in order to make $1,000, you need to actually spend $5,000 and make $6,000 back in order to be like plus $1,000. And it is a bit hard for the beginners to do so, and for that reason I highly do not recommend to start Amazon business if you are beginner in any type of selling or marketing stuff. It is not that hard to actually do that, but it requires some investments upfront that not a lot of people are having, and if they will, and most likely they will they're just gonna lose all the money what they spend in front. So for that reason, I highly suggest for the people to not start Amazon business from home if they are beginners. If they know what they do, if they know what people would want, what people would buy from them, then it's okay. If they have some cash that they could spend, that they could waste just to learn stuff, how to do stuff, then it's okay. Of course, everything, we do not fail in any stuff, we just learn stuff. You either win or you either learn. This is how you should live and how you should work your life. Well, this was basically it for the Amazon, how to sell on Amazon from home. It is not that hard to actually do so. However, it requires some little details that you could not put in a single video. It requires a whole different courses and whole different stuff in order to get in all the details of selling on Amazon. I hope it was helpful. I hope it gave you some understanding of what actually selling on Amazon means and whether it is for you. By no means I did not try to discourage you from doing this business. I just gave you a warning that it is not as simple as it may seem at first. So just be careful and be wary of your doing if you wanted to start this business. So this will be it for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video was helpful. Just drop a like if you thought this video was helpful. Drop a comment if you think something more about this video that needed to be in this video it was not. Just drop a comment maybe of your future video suggestions, and maybe I'm gonna do the video about that as well. Thank you again for your attention, and I hope to see you in the comment section and in the next video. Thank you and see ya.